This is a mini greenhouse for you all, okay, that we're going to make. All right. So, let me see. I may just bring it over here because, hey, everybody that's tapping in, I can't, I'm just now able to see you all. Hold on. Hold on. And make sure y'all share out the live now. Okay. Because you know how many people want to have their own greenhouses, but we don't have the money for that. All right. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So I have this plastic wrap here, saran wrap, and let me go get this item we're going to use. Okay. All right. Here we go. So we have this table here. Can everybody see? We have this table here. And let's see who's in. Who's in? Thank you for tapping in. Thank you for tapping in for the WE Pharmacy Wellness Wednesday. Let us know where you are and let us know what herbs you have growing in your garden, okay? And if you are interested in making yourselves a greenhouse, this is how you can get started with just a thing of plastic wrap and something similar to this where you can and you want to make sure it well drains. So as you can see, this down here has holes in it, so it's going to go right through. Okay, so I'm going to take this saran wrap, share this out with someone that is starting a garden and they're very low on the budget. Okay, so I'm going to start right here. And you all, if you all are a part of the Grow Herbal Garden Club, or you are a family member of the WE Pharmacy, you may have seen this post, okay, where we share stuff out to everyone to give them some ideas. So we're creating a greenhouse, right?